Assessing property condition and hidden costs. Foreclosed properties are often sold as is, meaning what you see is what you get, along with any hidden issues you might not see. These homes may have been neglected or even intentionally damaged by previous owners facing financial distress. Common issues include deferred maintenance, structural problems, or outdated systems that require significant repairs. It's essential to conduct a thorough property inspection to identify potential problems and estimate repair costs. Hiring a professional inspector can provide a detailed assessment, helping you make an informed decision. Beyond the physical condition, be prepared for additional expenses that can quickly add up. These might include unpaid property taxes, liens or homeowner association, HOA fees inherited from the previous owner. Conducting a comprehensive title search is crucial to uncover any encumbrances that could become your responsibility. Engaging a real estate attorney or a reputable title company can assist in this process, ensuring you're fully aware of any financial obligations tied to the property. Moreover, consider the potential for higher insurance premiums. Insuring a foreclosed home might be more expensive, especially if the property has been vacant for an extended period or is located in a high-risk area. Consult with insurance providers to obtain quotes and factor these costs into your budget. Additionally, some foreclosed properties may require immediate repairs to meet safety codes or lender requirements, especially if you're financing the purchase. Lenders might mandate certain repairs before approving a mortgage, particularly for government-backed loans. Understanding these potential requirements can help you plan accordingly and avoid unexpected delays or expenses.